Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, let me show you how to fix Discord link server expired or expired issue on Android. If you're the link provider, start by tapping on the three lines at the top left corner to access your server. Next, tap on the three dots beside your server name and select Invite to generate a new invite link. Before copying the link, tap on Edit Invite Link and customize it. Set the expiration to never for a permanent invite link. Ensure the maximum users option is selected accordingly. Once customized, tap on Save and then copy link to share it without encountering the issue. If you're the recipient with the link issue, request a new link from the server owner or resolve any bans or server limit restrictions. There you go. This has been Solution Junkie. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.